We are in an industrial site at dawn, not a birdsong in the morning still, not a tree in sight. The silence weighs on us, oppresses us, until the machines start replacing silence with their harsh sounds and the air is filled with dust. Now we wake from our nightmare and are walking through a forest. The dawn mist rises slowly. You hear the call of birds, the rustle of leaves, and the quiet, ancient breath of nature. Both stories are told in the Caucasus today. Nature is the story that the Caucasus Nature Fund fights for every single day. Where Europe meets Asia, the Caucasus is one of the most biologically diverse places on the planet, a global biodiversity hotspot. The Caucasus is a natural treasure. CNF works on the front lines, preserving critical ecosystems, protecting wildlife from extinction, and restoring damaged lands so that they can live again. It's science, it's heart, and it's action, all working together. Home to ancient landscapes, thousands of species, many found nowhere else. That's why CNF is here. Our teams don't just study nature. Together with our partner national parks and protected areas, we walk into the wild and keep habitats safe for species that are clinging to life. We work with local communities, respecting traditions and building a better future. We go where others won't, and then stay when others leave. We believe that being pro-wilderness is not anti-development. On the contrary, CNF is a lifeline for forests, for rivers, for endangered animals, and ultimately for us. Because when we protect nature, we protect our future. Our commitment to wild places is hope in action, but it's lost if we're alone. Every forest saved, every species protected, is a result of people who care. People like you. Nature can't speak for itself, but you can. You can choose to stand for life, for beauty, for the irreplaceable wild that gives us air, water, and wonder. Time is running out, but we still have the chance to be the generation that healed instead of turning away. Join us.